Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to sign in to Outlook using QR code. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the Outlook on your PC and open Outlook on your mobile like so. And now here as you can see on my mobile, it says that I need to add an account. So I'm going to click on my PC here on the help button on the top left side. Then I will go and click on Outlook mobile. Then it will redirect me to Google or whatever browser that I have. Then it will show me here this QR code. I'm gonna click on add account. Then I'm gonna click on skip here because I have already an account. So I'm gonna click on QR code on the top right side. Then click on scan QR code on my phone. Then click on while using the app. And now I'm gonna scan the QR code using my mobile as you can see. And here it signed me into my account as you can see. Now it gives me a code. Now I should type the code. Then I'm gonna click on verify and you're all set. You can even add another email if you want to do so. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.